Hello guys, you are welcome to another tutorial. Damusab Multimedia here, and in today's tutorial we are going to be talking about how you can add text on your video before you upload it on YouTube or anywhere. A friend of mine reached out to me and sent one video to me, this video, that how is it possible, and he asked me to do a tutorial for them. So without any further ado, let's dive in. So what you do, you open your Capcut app. As you can see, my own Capcut is already open. Then you look for the video you want to add text to. So now I will choose one of the video on my phone here, which is this one. Then once it loads, I would like to load. Once it loads, I'm going to click on add. Now the video will be added on my Capcut. Then after this, the next thing I want to do is to come and create space where I can do my write-up on it. So I'll just come and hold this. I'll click on this video and then bring it down a little like this. So it depends on the dimension of your video. So this video is a very wide one, so I wouldn't want to cut it too much so that it will not cut off. So I have space left above. So now for me to change, I want to change that space up there from black to white. All I'll now do is to scroll down to where I have background. Okay, let me leave the video. So I'll come to here where I have background here. You can use an image to do it, to put there, or you can choose the color. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use color. And in the color, I will be using a white color. You can see that up there has changed to white. Then I'll click on mark. The next thing I would like to do is to do what? To do my write-up. So I'll back from here and go to text. I'll click on text. Once I click on text, I'll click on add text and it will come up. Then I'll click inside this enter text and then wait for my keyboard to come up. Once my keypad come up, I will just do my write-up. The best African best African praise song in 2025. Then I'll mark. So I cannot move it here up there, but then you can see it's too big. So I'll reduce the size like this and then move it to where I want it to be. You understand? So the next thing I want to go and do is to change the color of my text. So I'll go to where I have styles, and let me change the font to this so that it can be bold. Then I'll go to styles and then I'll choose a black color because black will appear well on white. I can use a red so it can be what can call attention because red is shouting. So the best African praise song in 2025, not 24 anymore, sorry, 2025. Then that's that. So all I'll do now is to hold this my text and then drag it all the way. Click and drag all the way to the end of the video so that it can be there. So I think this is the end, and then I'll click on what? This part that I used to show Capcut like this. I'll click on it and press delete. So that's all. So I think so now you are done. The next thing you do is just to export your video and then upload it on your YouTube. Then you are good to go. So if you find this video helpful, please do well to like, consider subscribing to my channel, and as well try your best to share this video. Until next time, see you.